Forget the usual tourist spots. Today, we're slipping into the vibrant embrace of Lisbon, Portugal. This isn't just another travel destination. This city pulses with warmth and celebrates diversity in ways that will leave you breathless. Feel the cobblestones beneath your feet as you wander through the ancient streets of Alfama, where colorful tiles tell timeless stories. Smell the sea air as you tread along the coastline, the iconic Ponte 25 de Abril, stretching out like an endless ribbon across the landscape. Taste the magic with every bite of a crisp pastel de nata paired with rich espresso, pure bliss. The best time to visit? Late spring or early fall? Think golden sunlight, smaller crowds, and perfect warmth. And while the well-trodden streets of Baixa call to many, the hidden gem of LX Factory is where the locals go. This creative hub is brimming with galleries, quirky shops, and open-air cafes that explode with color and personality. Head to the vibrant Bairro Alto district at night. It's alive with music and inclusive nightlife where everyone is welcome. It's not just a Black and LGBTQ+ friendly haven, it's a hub for celebration and community. Here's your insider tip. Escape the tourist-heavy trams and hike to Miradouro da Senhora do Monte. The panoramic sunset view will make your soul sing. Lisbon isn't a destination. It's an embrace, a feeling, an anthem for those who dare to be unapologetically themselves. So pack your bags, because your next destination is waiting. Subscribe for more travel inspiration. And remember, travel where you're celebrated, always. Ensure the expanded voiceover is even more entertaining, but that it maintains the same style, tone, and key points as the original.